Okay, so now I want you to complete a few exercises. I mean, two exercises. In this position, you are white. How would you play?
Okay. So, what strong squares do we have at our disposal? I guess if we were to get a piece to c6, that would be nice, but at the same time, all of the squares that we've been looking at have been on our side, so no. Um,
Mm-hmm.
we could... Okay, if I was in a game, I'd just take the b pawn and then push the b pawn.
So you
That's
capture
boring.
here, then b3,
Yeah, that's really boring.
but you don't get
Um,
any advantage. Moreover, you
yeah.
will allow him to take with the c pawn and get the c5
Over
square
the
for
C
the knight.
file.
No, no,
That too, yeah.
for the knight.
Mm-hmm.
That's quite bad.
Yeah. Mm.
So again, here you can find the tactical strike.
Mm-hmm. One that I don't see. Um, I don't know. Um, I
So
don't see any tactical strikes.
the knight on c4 and the queen on d1 can help you.
How?
Okay, so let me show.
I'm sorry.
Knight f2 e5. If d captures, then d6.
Oh.
For bishop takes, queen d6. Queen d6, knight d6. And this position is better for white because of these weaknesses.
Mm-hmm.
So we can play bishop e3 and attack here.
Oops.
Okay, so tell me, what would happen if I make an intermediate move, bishop a6? What black is threatening now?
Mm. I don't know. I
Okay,
mean, they could
so
just capture the knight, I guess, but
no, if you capture the knight, then the same thing, d6. But
no, I mean the c4 knight anyway.
then this knight takes.
Yeah,
So
it's pretty useless.
the knight on c4 is protected by the only knight on e5. But
Hmm.
if, for example, you don't do anything, then I can play knight b7, and now the knight on e5 is hanging. You are not threatening to
Because they
play
can't play
d6, and
d6.
yes, you have to retreat, and then you lose the knight on c4.
Mm.
That was a threat. So how to play after bishop a6?
Um, I guess bishop b3.
Yeah, bishop b3 just protecting this knight. So if knight
Yeah,
b7 now, then after knight with
just move
f3,
the knight
we are
back. Yeah.
one pawn up. Okay, another one.